Hey everyone, today I will show you how to remove threads notifications from Instagram. Make sure to watch till the very end so you can easily turn off those notifications and keep your Instagram experience distraction free. So let's get started. Since Threads was introduced, Instagram has been heavily promoting it, which is why you have noticed an increase in threads, related posts, and notifications. And if you would like to regain control of your Instagram feed, then follow these steps. First things first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you logged into your account. Then scroll through your feed until you spot a Threads post. Now, what you have to do is click on three dots located in the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appear, click on Hide. Now, this tells Instagram algorithms that you're not interested in Threads content. And the other thing you can do is go to the notification tab in the Instagram app and find any Threads notification, and then long press that Threads notification. And from the menu that appear, click on Turn off notification like this. By doing this, you are letting Instagram know that you do not want to see similar notifications in the future. That's it for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.